सही गल है यार, वो भी तो पाकिस्तान छुड़ाओ नहीं नो यार
is a Pakistani Fateh 2 missile, the debris which has been caught over Haryana and which is being taken away. And can you tell us more about this particular visual that we are seeing about this missile which has been caught, the intent and what is the kind of target that they were looking at?
Basically, Arnab, this is Fateh 2 missile. Its range is 400 kilometers.
Yes.
And I think it's sheer logic that for which city this missile was supposed to be going to.
Yeah.
So the trajectory logically said it was meant for Delhi.
Yeah.
Because Fateh 2 has a range of 400 kilometers. Fateh 1 has a range of approximately 150 to 200 kilometers. So this was definitely meant for Delhi, which has been intercepted. So I think
they were obviously there as of now. They are doing random hitting. They are doing random hitting. So they are looking for quick escalation from their side. Are you saying that we are still? I mean, let me just pause a minute there. Let me go across to Zeenat, please. Zeenat, are you there with us? Can you tell us your location? Good morning, Zeenat. Zeenat.
Good morning, Arnab.
Can I get your early morning reports from the
Srinagar
Kashmir Valley,
airport,
please?
which is on the red.
Yeah.
Arnab, we're reporting from outside the Srinagar International Airport, and this place has been kept entirely on the red zone. We're just outside the Srinagar Airport, and you see the mobile bunkers that have been stationed here, plus the makeshift bunker is there, which is guarded by the BSF and CRPF and the Jammu and Kashmir police. The movement on the Srinagar International Airport is minimal. Hardly you see the residents of this locality are allowed to move out. Rest, nobody is allowed to go to near to all these installation, because apart from the Srinagar International Airport, this locality has IF. You have the Border Security Force headquarters and some more important installations in the area. As we have been seeing in the Lasjan area, as I have been pointing out since morning, that this is the Lasjan area where the missile component, the Haft missile, which is Iranian missile, the component has been found, and the explosive was heard. Since morning, the drones were hovering in the sky. The panic button has been pressed because Pakistan is trying to escalate the situation on ground. You see yesterday in MEA press conference and compare it with the day before yesterday. Day before, there was a clear leak coming from the government of India. If Pakistan wants to stop here, they can. But yesterday, there was no option given by the foreign secretary in the press conference. No option was given by the Indian government that Pakistan should stop. See, this is a war that is escalating every day. We've been seeing the Pakistan targeting the installations.
Zinat, I'll have to go across to Pathankot for a while, because Lalit is now at the place, Zinat, where the debris fell. Lalit, आप मेरे साथ हैं इस वक्त. आपकी लोकेशन बताइए इस वक्त, और आप जहाँ पे हैं वहाँ पे हिट हुई है, मुझे कहा गया है.
बिल्कुल अर्नब, फिलहाल इस वक्त अगर मैं तस्वीरें बताऊं तो इस वक्त मैं पठानकोट के माजरा गांव में मौजूद हूं, और जिस तरह से जानकारी मिली है कि सुबह के समय लगभग 4:30 बजे जो ड्रोन है उनको यहाँ पर जो है वो भेजा गया था, और फिलहाल जो इंडियन डिफेंस सिस्टम है उन्होंने तमाम तरह से उनको न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया था, उनको नष्ट कर दिया था. फिलहाल जो ये इम्पैक्ट आप देख रहे हैं माजरा गांव में, जहां पर करीबन 2 फीट का जो गड्ढा है वो हो गया है. और सबसे जो रहमत की बात रही है कि ये कोई रिहायशी जो जगह है वहां पर नहीं गिरा है, क्योंकि ये जो ओपन फील्ड है वहां पर ये गिरा है, जिससे किसी तरह का कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ है. इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें, चाहे अमृतसर की बात करें, अमृतसर में भी सुबह खासा जो एरिया है वहां पर जो ड्रोन है उनको वहां पर देखा गया था, और खास तौर पर उनको भी लगातार उनको वहां पर न्यूट्रलाइज.
एक मिनट ललित